Your next steps are the following three. The file in the resources tab answers the questions inside of it. I included a summary of every lesson in this course. You will find also a 10-page helpful guide on YouTube that I personally wrote. Go back to your older videos. Try to come up with factual reasons why they didn't get as much views as you expected them to get. You will easily be able to explain why each one and every single one of them didn't get as much views as you thought they were going to get. Start a new note right now. Try to come up with 10 viral YouTube video ideas. Everything will be so much easier. You will notice a clear difference on how your brain is going to structure the idea, the title, the thumbnail concepts. You will easily be able to look at them and distinguish the viral YouTube idea. This was my first ever course. I'm sorry if my English was bad. I have many more course ideas about YouTube that I want to make, but I need your support. So make sure you leave a follow so that you get notified when I publish a new course. And make sure you leave a rating if you found this course helpful. And I can't wait to see what you are going to work on next. Let me know in the project discussions area, and I will see you soon in the next course.